Hey, it's Eagle Runner Bill here. This tire's been rotting and coming apart for a couple of years now, and I figured it's time for me to change it out. I couldn't find enough information on this tire and rim, so I thought I'd make a little video even though it's kind of incomplete. I was scared to remove the tire and wheel assembly because I thought maybe it was too heavy for me to handle. Some places I read the tire alone weighed 159 pounds. So I got a professional out here to give me a hand, and he told me, no, it's not that heavy. We can move it around. And once we got it off, I think it probably weighed 130 pounds and wasn't difficult at all. But anyways, my next problem would have been, you see that impact gun on the ground there? It wasn't strong enough to loosen them lug nuts. He had to pull this monster out to get these lug nuts off. And that thing had no problem with them. So once we got all the lug nuts off, I was also worried, was the rim going to be glued to the axle where it just rusted? Now it's stuck there because I got no idea how long it's been on. Well, that wasn't no problem. The wheel assembly came right off. No problem at all. Now the next problem we ran into is we poured lubricant all over the tire and rim to get the bead to break. And we had this sledgehammer, and we couldn't get that bead to budge. These tires hold water for weight, and it just rotted right to the rim. It wouldn't break for nothing. We beat on it, and we made no progress. He also had this other tool to help break the bead, and that wouldn't break it loose either. So he decided, I got to take this to the shop where I got all the pneumatics to break this down. So he took it to the shop. He said my rim was just corroded to death, and he was able to clean it all up for me, put on my new tube, put on my tire, brought it back, slapped it back on the tractor with no problem. Yeah, like I said, it was incomplete, but hopefully you found some information you needed. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.